now we are selling it on Instagram. I just have some posts because I just started the Instagram page and didn't have much time to make a lot of pictures, to make some content for the page. But we have an Instagram page and we sell them in the cafe of my boyfriend.